Brad, Zoe, and I have driven down from Isthmia from the museum, and we're looking for the late Roman wall. And we found it just kind of to the, I guess, east of the site, a little bit northeast towards the canal. And we're standing out in the field by a church. I haven't got the name of the church yet, but I'll find it soon. And here are a few architectural pieces laying out in the field. Much of the late Roman wall, which stretches along this fence line here, was reused spolia materials from Isthmia, which led the excavator, of course, to remark that there's remarkably little at the sanctuary of Poseidon. Over here is the church. Zoe is in the car right now listening to some music, while Brad and I walk down to the wall. We're just going to head down this little street here. To the right, a few building blocks of sorts, assorted blocks, grown over in various ways. It could be a tower of some sort, but or a terrace, or just thrown up. The main walls of Isthmia are up in the background there, the old walls, and we're going to walk along here to see what we have in the form of late Roman walls. This actually looks like it's coming out over from the site itself. See just kind of a rough matrix inside, and there's cement bonding a lot of the materials here, so a later date. It's a cement bonding? Yep. And there's a fence of the Archaeological Service around here. So we'll walk along around this outside. Yep, this is a lot of spolia, reused stones. You can see that reused stone in there. Set in at various angles. A lot of the limestone, mostly. We're down at the edge. Here's a column. Inside. And here are a few towers coming off the wall. As we walk along here, yeah, this is a tower, Brad, on the corner, a corner tower, and then we can see columns. So these columns are all stacked up. They look like they're actually been taken out and stacked up here for various purposes. And then there's some more stones, building stones down here, actually again stacked up from an excavation. So we need to sort out what this is and the orientation, and then we will talk a little bit more.